Hi friends, this is the rate I old monk and today we are with the Honor 9 Lite. So the highlight of the smartphone is the 4 camera, quad camera, the 2 camera in the front and the 2 camera at the back. So going through the design, it has a glass body in the front and the back. On the side you can see the power button, volume rocker keys at the back. You can see the dual cameras, and the setup of the dual camera is 13+2. There is fingerprint sensor. In the bottom you can see there is a speaker grills, micro USB charging slot and the 3.5mm jack. And on the side here you can see there is a hybrid SIM card slot which is also expandable. In the front there is a 13+2 megapixel camera, and the device screen size is 5.65, which is approximately more than 5.5 inch, and it is a full HD plus view. It is 18:9 body ratio. You can see the bezel-less design here. So definitely the screen looks vibrant. The display is very sharp here. And as far as the RAM is concerned, it comes with the 4 GB of RAM, memory is 64 GB. It has an octa-core processor, Kirin 659. Its own processor. It is running on Android 8.0 Oreo with the EMUI 8. So, and the battery pack is 3000 milliampere. So the overall package looks good. Definitely the device looks pretty much similar to 9i, but 9i had a metallic body field design, and overall it has a few features in the camera section which will be a delight. It is more kind of a design or stylish phone, you can say. As far as the fingerprint sensor is concerned, it gives you a lot of freedom to take the picture, answer the call, switch off the alarm. Many functions are there. And not going through that, it also will support the dual app functionality, the cloning functionality. You can use the dual WhatsApp. As far as the apps are concerned, it has a very less bloatware. It doesn't come with that. These are the three phones. There is Honor 9i, then there is Honor 7X, there is Honor View 10. You can see the screen size difference. The fingerprint sensor is different. All are full view display 18:9. Here you can see the fingerprint sensor, the bumps, the camera looks a little different. So it has a difference little bit, not too much, but I will say the 9 Lite stands out because of the glossy back. It has a glass back, whereas the 7X and the View 10 are little different. They are little bigger, and this is easy to hold for me in hand. It is nearly 5.2 inch if you go by screen size. Now jumping to the camera is one highlight feature, and here you can see the modes, and these are the settings what you can play around with and try and test them. If you want anything special, we will let you know in our description and the review section what are good. There is a wide aperture mode, and there is a portrait mode where you can blur the background while taking your selfies or your photos, and there is a moving picture which is a live photo. There is a video mode, and also there is a photo mode. Now going to the camera section, we will check out some of the few cameras. Here I have actually edited the picture. You can see the color splash. I have tried and tested. So overall the camera looks good. The front camera and the back camera, it's take a good aperture shot. The bokeh effect comes out good here. The colors are vibrant and they look very natural. Coming to the overall view on the camera, we will come on the review section. You can check it out once the review is live. And as far as the front camera is also concerned, they came out well. This is a portrait shot where the background is blurred, and there is also a normal shot where the background can be visible easily. So as far as the device is concerned, the price point will be less than 20,000. My expectation will be around 15,000, maybe the starting variant, 3 GB RAM and 32 GB storage, but it may change. This is the 4 GB RAM 64 GB variant. It supports 4G VoLTE. This is in the blue color. There will be a grey and the black variant. This is all about Honor 9 Lite. This at the rate I old monk signing off. Please like the video, share the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.